one of the things that he said that the reasons why he's also pursuing to go back as mayor is that some of the programs that he started were not continued under your first term. So what is your comment on that?
Those are all lies. All his programs, projects, lahat po yan tinuloy ko. Wala ho akong tinanggal, wala ho akong binago, at dinagdagan ko pa. In fact, inayos ko pa. Yung iba ho niyang projects are still ongoing. Meron pa ho siyang tatlong housing projects na matatapos po. 2 matatapos ngayong end of November, and the other one is matatapos naman po ng December. Yun po mga housing projects na yun, siya lang ang nag-groundbreak. Yun lang po ang ginawa niya. Gin-groundbreak po niya yan, October 2021, bago po siya umalis. Okay? So ako po yung nagsimula, groundbreaking lang po siya. Ako po yung nagsimula, ako yung nagpatuloy, ako yung nagtapos, at hanggang ngayon ako yung nagbabayad ng utang para mapatayo yan.
So tinuloy niyo po? And
tinuloy ko po.
we'll
Kaya
discuss...
I don't know what projects or program he's talking about na hindi ko tinuloy.